Man, I'll tell you what, that sound never gets old, does it? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Got a lot of response from the last throwback. Figured I'd throw another one out there. Resto mod or race car? This car was a little bit of both. Mustang Cobra that I rebuilt with my good friend Mustang Mike. So make sure you guys stick around, check out the video. Got a lot of pictures. Got a little bit of footage that I shot from about 4 years ago. I think you guys are gonna thoroughly enjoy it. Guys, make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what you think of the restoration. Let me know if you had a similar restoration just like that. Let's just stop talking. Let's get right into it. All right, here taking a video real quick of the 93 Cobra. It's red on black, black interior, front and rear seats. Missing the center vent, but we can take care of that. It's no big deal. Has a brand new sunroof seal and we restored the outer edge. It looks pretty good. Only thing, car's not been hit, rust free. It's got a little spot right here from the previous owners, but nothing's damaged outside of that. Can be fixed and repaired, no big deal, pretty fast. This is an original D-code Cobra with the Z-Spec trans, rebuilt GT40 engine. It's a really nice car. Let me go up to the VIN code for you. There's the VIN code, D-code. It's on the door as well. I'm gonna pop the hood. Yep. There we go. All right. There's the engine. Original factory GT40 intake Cobra, GT40 heads. We put another short block in it because we got this car as a roller. This is a factory Z-Spec as well, though. 249 code that I had. Runs really good. Not gonna start it up in this video.
93 Cobra startup.
adjust the back. There you go. We'll adjust it later. Car's never been hit in the front. Once boom. Not been hit. No rust whatsoever. Look at that. Not even been fixed. Core support is straight. Go ahead and go back up further. Got it. Missing a fog light run. I have a brand new fog light for that. We pretty much brought this car. We have two newer front tires for this. Those are all dry rot. We'll have better tires for the back. And it's been converted fog light, as you can see with the Cobra brakes. That's good. See, core support has not been up. Never been in an accident. K-member's clean, motor's clean, all underneath. Original factory Z-Spec trans, aftermarket clutch. Frame is nice and solid. It's got big subframes in it. No rust. Very nice, very nice. This is one of the best parts of it. Somebody actually put trunk box reinforcements in this. Spent a lot of money doing it. Pretty badass. Aftermarket. Factory 8.8. Rear disc. Sounds and looks good. Figured I'd show a nice video of it. Very nice car.
It's all the same. Only the names will change every day. It seems we're wasting away. Another place where the faces seem so gold. I drive all night just to get back home. 'Cause I'm a cowboy. Well,
Alright, so that's all I got for you today, guys. I appreciate you watching the video this far. You got to see us rebuilding, or had rebuilt, a 93 Cobra. And if you actually checked out one of the first pictures, you can see how much we actually paid for the Cobra. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of my throwback videos. I got some other videos that you got coming up this week. And we got Fox Days of Christmas, so I will see you guys soon in the next video.
'Cause I'm a cowboy and on a steel horse.